Welcome to We Dump It, your premier destination for hassle-free dumpster rentals. We specialize in simplifying cleanup projects with a touch of efficiency and reliability that sets us apart. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing clutter, or managing a large-scale construction site, We Dump It is here to streamline your waste management needs. Imagine a seamless experience where every dumpster delivery is prompt, every pickup is swift, and every interaction is infused with professionalism and care. That's the We Dump It promise, a commitment to excellence that ensures your project stays on track without the stress. With a range of sizes and flexible rental periods tailored to your schedule, We Dump It empowers you to focus on what matters most while we handle the rest. Visit us today at wedumpit.com or call us at 508-776-4740 and discover why customers rave about our unparalleled service. Join the countless satisfied clients who trust We Dump It for their dumpster rental solutions. Whether you need a compact dumpster for a weekend cleanup or a robust container for ongoing construction, We Dump It delivers not just dumpsters but peace of mind.